U.S. strategic deployment, aircraft carrier and fighter jets head to conflict zone. In a significant and calculated move, the United States has deployed a powerful naval force, including an aircraft carrier and a squadron of fighter jets, to a volatile conflict zone. This decisive action underscores the nation's commitment to addressing and managing complex geopolitical challenges while safeguarding its interests and promoting stability in the region. The dispatch of an aircraft carrier, a symbol of unparalleled naval strength and strategic projection, reflects the United States' determination to assert its presence in the conflict zone. These mobile platforms serve as versatile instruments of power projection, enabling rapid response capabilities and providing a visible demonstration of the nation's commitment to regional security. The deployment of fighter jets alongside the aircraft carrier adds an extra layer of agility and firepower to the U.S. military presence in the region. These advanced aircraft not only serve as a deterrent but also offer the flexibility to swiftly respond to emerging threats, ensuring a robust and adaptable approach to the evolving dynamics of the conflict. It's important to highlight that the deployment is a carefully considered response to the specific challenges faced in the conflict zone. The United States remains committed to promoting peace and stability, and this strategic move is aimed at fostering a secure environment while addressing the root causes of the conflict. While the presence of an aircraft carrier and fighter jets underscores the U.S. commitment to its allies and partners, it is not without an acknowledgement of the complexities involved. The deployment is a measured effort to navigate the intricate geopolitical landscape, providing the United States with the means to protect its interests and contribute to the resolution of the conflict. The decision to send such a formidable force to the conflict zone is not taken lightly, and the United States continues to emphasize the importance of diplomatic solutions. This deployment serves as a powerful reminder of the nation's capability and resolve, underlining its commitment to finding peaceful resolutions while being prepared to address any challenges that may arise in the pursuit of regional stability. In summary, the U.S. deployment of an aircraft carrier and fighter jets to the conflict zone represents a strategic and determined response to evolving geopolitical challenges. The move signals a commitment to regional security and stability, with the United States employing its military strength to navigate and address the complexities of the ongoing conflict.
This is a joint combined amphibious task group, just because with Army guys, they are equipped with a Beta today. Our AAVs, I mentioned before, are